Good morning, students. Myself, Professor Keshav J Chougule. Today, I am going to present the topic on what is the exactly digital communication happens basically under this subject is the principles of communication second year EXTC. The basic of that digital communication, that means we transmit the data digitally by using the square waves or binary waveforms. Basically, firstly we discuss about the what is the exactly block diagram of that digital communication system. I will draw the exact block diagram of digital communication system. This is the block diagram of digital communication system. Block diagram of digital communication system. In the digital communication system, the first block is a source. After that, in that source, the contain the information, and it may be audio, video, or text, picture, any kind of information offered into that source. That source sends the data towards the input transducer. The main function of that input transducer, that physical data, it converts that into an electrical form, and that output of that input transducer is given to the input of the channel source encoder. That is the source encoder. The main function of that source encoder, that it compresses the data, and up to this input transducer data is in the form of waveforms. That means the square waveforms, and that waveforms data it converts into a digital bits. That means the 0 1 0 1 0 1 in the form of as like of that. And output of that source encoder is goes towards the channel encoder. This is the channel encoder. The channel encoder, it add the error checking techniques by adding the redundant bits into that binary digits, and after that data goes towards the digital modulator. This is the digital modulator. Digital modulator modulates that input digital signal by using the basic three techniques, that is the ASK, PSK, and FSK. ASK stands for amplitude shifting, FSK stands for frequency shifting, and PSK stands for phase shifting. And after that, data goes towards the from transmission channel. This is the transmission channel. In transmission channel in digital communication, we mostly use the optical fiber communication, in wired communication, and in case of wireless communication, we use the transmitting antenna this side and receiving antenna to receiving section. And after that, data goes from this side. This is the digital demodulator. This is the digital demodulator. Demodulates data incoming from transmitter, and after that digital data demodulator goes data towards the channel decoder. This is the channel decoder. The main function of that channel decoder does the exact reverse process of channel encoder. That is in case of channel encoder, we have added some redundant bits for error checking purpose. That remove that redundant bits in case of channel decoder. After that, data goes towards the source decoder. The main function of that source decoder exactly opposite of that source encoder. That means that source encoder compress data and it converts the waveform to binary. Up to this data is in the form of binary. It converts that binary data into a waveforms, and the output of that source decoder goes towards the output transducer, output output transducer, output transducer. The function of that output transducer is exactly reverse of input transducer. Input transducer converts physical to electrical signal. It converts electrical signal into physical signal, and we cover that original data at the destination, at the destination, at the destination, at the destination. This is the complete process of the digital communication system. In digital communication system, we transmit data digitally by using the square wave or binary digit, and that data goes into these all blocks, and we get the original data at the output. This is the complete scenario of the digital communication system. Thank you.